Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll start talking about equilibrium. Or to be more precise, market equilibrium. We'll talk about the definition of equilibrium later. At first, let us consider a market demand function UD is equal to 50 minus twice P and a market supply function US is equal to minus 10 plus P. Now if we use the intercept method, but demand function Q is equal to 50 minus twice P, this can be written as Q plus twice P is equal to 50, or Q by 50 plus P by 25 equal to 1. And the supply function Q is equal to minus 10 plus P. Q minus P is equal to minus 10. This can be written as Q by minus 10 plus P by 10 equal to 1. And here now we can draw the demand function and the supply function. We have a y-axis and x-axis shows quantity. Here we have O and here we have price. If this is 25 and this is 50, this straight line will be the demand curve, and for the supply curve we draw the axis again. This is quantity, this is O, and this is price. This is minus 10 and this is 10. So this is the supply curve. Let us draw a bigger diagram. This is quantity, this is O, and this is price. For the demand curve, now this is 25 and say this is 50. If we join this point with this point, we get the demand curve. For the supply curve, let us consider this is minus 10 and here this is 10. Now if we join this point with this point and extend the line, we get the supply curve. So what happens here, if we look more closely here, the demand curve and the supply curve intersect each other. The coordinate of this point P1 and this is Q1. Now here we see that at this price of P1, both demand curve and the supply curve show equal quantity. That means QD is equal to QS. What does QD stand for? Quantity demand, and QS stands for quantity supply. So what we see, at price of P1, quantity demand is equal to quantity supplied. This point in economics is known as market equilibrium. So this point here is known as market equilibrium with coordinates on x-axis q1 and on y-axis p1. Or instead of p1 we can write pe1 and qe1. What does this E stand for? It means price at equilibrium 1 and quantity at equilibrium 1. Here also we can write QE1 and PE1. Again, here we see that at this price of PE1, the quantity demand is equal to quantity supplied. So we can say that at market equilibrium, there is a specific price P, E, or P bar, or P star, and there is a specific quantity UE, or we can write Q bar or Q star. And what happens here? Always quantity demand is equal to quantity supply. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.